Hey, what's up, everyone? Brent from Brenspeed. A really cool video for today. Check it out. 14 GT500, not 600, not 700, 8, 9, over 1,000 of the tires. Look at this sleeper. It's a convertible. You have to love that. Factory wheels. And this car has like no gauges inside. You had no idea this thing lays down over 1,000 real horsepower. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. I have Doug with me. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment. We are, of course, going to watch a dyno pull. So check this out. All right, what is under the hood of this GT500? Honestly, it's a pretty simple setup. Doug, come down here, take a look. This is a show quality engine compartment. We're talking 4.2 liter Kenny Bell with a huge throttle body, the 5-inch air induction system. We are running 85 ID 1300 fuel injectors, 4 triple pump fuel system, but no, that's not a stock engine. It's an L&M race engine long block. So it's the L&M long block with L&M camshafts, 4.2 Kenny Bell, and long tube headers. Pretty sick setup, and it lays down a shitload of power. You gotta love this car right here. Can't even tell by looking at it that this thing makes that kind of power. I mean, if I looked at it on the street, like, hey, there's the cool 650 raw horsepower GT500 maybe. You never know. So I will put some links in the description. A little bit more about this car if you want to read more about it. And then you want a car like this built, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com. Say, hey, what does that cost to get installed? We also have an ice tank. So making this kind of power, we want to keep the supercharger as cool as possible. We're talking 24 PSI through a 3.75 supercharger pulley. So we have the ice tank in the trunk, keeps the intake temps as cool as possible, and then the sweet L&M long block. Check out this dyno pull. All right, Doug, check these numbers out. An awesome DynoJet SAE, 1,057 of the tires, peaking at 6,800 RPM. This is what I love right here. This is what it's all about. 979 torque, peaking at 4,300. Doug, take a look. So about 3,200 RPM, 3,300 RPM. We are over 900 torque to the tires. Now, I don't know if anyone's ever, you're watching this, you've driven a car like that. That is just stupid power, man. It's stupid power on the street. Hey, it's fun. Over 1,000 raw horsepower. There's a lot more than the long block and the supercharger involved in building a car like that. Of course, we mentioned the fuel system, but you got to address transmission, clutch, rear end, all your drivetrain, suspension, so much more involved. But of course, you can leave a comment if you have questions. We'd be happy to answer, but that is a sweet 14 GT500. Again, pretty easy combo, looks super clean. I love the way that engine compartment looked. The car looks good, it sounds good, and it really lays it down. So again, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Please subscribe and notify if you haven't. See a lot of cool videos on GT500s, S550s, 3-valve Mustangs. You really never know what you're gonna see on our channel. Hope you have a great day.